EU countries. Before Brexit, the UK has been leading the Capital Markets Union initiative, the idea of creating a single market for fintech innovations. However, Brexit makes the largest financial EU centre, London, to implement its own regulations. After Britain leaves the Union, Switzerland stays the major financial centre in the EU. According to the Crypto Valley Directory, in the small Swiss city of Zug, the number of fintech companies has exceeded the amount of 530. Currently, the city with the population of just 30,000 people serves as home for 539 fintech service providers. This way, Zug plays a big role in the whole technological world. That's why it's called Crypto Valley. The place is so attractive to crypto companies due to its positive tax regulations, welcoming attitude to blockchain and business mindset. Swiss fintech company Credit Suisse, together with Dutch banking corporation ING Group, have conducted the first live securities transaction of 25 million euros. The transfer has taken place on the R3's Corda blockchain platform. The transaction was made by transferring not individual Dutch and German government securities, but accounts containing baskets of securities. Swiss Crypto Valley completed the testing of the blockchain voting system with success. The voting took place with the use of Zug's electronic ID system. The process was completed without the single server. The results have shown that the majority of voters found the system easy and convenient.